I think that the creator of this should be given a Nobel Prize, something like that.
We are traveling around the East Coast of the United States,
Finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast.
Hey everybody, welcome to RV East Coast. My name is Eli, and today I have a short but very interesting episode for you. I am sharing with you a tip and recommendation, if you want to call it that, of maybe my favorite piece of equipment when it comes to RV traveling. And it's very cheap. With about $8 you can buy about 25 of them in Amazon. So without further ado, I give you, ta-da, the bungee cord. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I use these in at least 10, maybe 12 different ways. Okay, number one, we use these to put around the handles of the cabinet doors when we are traveling to prevent our doors from becoming open as we drive. Next, we have two really big drawers under our dinette, and when we travel, sometimes they become open, so we use these to keep them closed when we travel. So we have this bicycle rack in the front of our trailer. Sometimes the wheels of the bike move quite a bit when we drive, and I use one of these to wrap them around the tires, and I keep all three tires together. I put one on each side, and that way the bikes don't move as much when we drive. There's less vibration and less opportunities for sway problems. Next, for our extension cords. If you RV travel, you know that you need to keep your extension cords, your cable for your TV, your hoses organized. I use this to keep them nice and neat. So we had a little accident a while ago. Our trailer has two outdoor showers, one on each side. One time one of those doors opened as we were traveling, and the outdoor shower fell to the floor and it broke. So since that happened, before I closed the door, I put one of these around the hose of the shower, and it keeps the shower safe when we drive. Another use I have for this is when we camp in cold weather. Tonight, for instance, we are having below freezing temperatures, so we have a heated hose for our water. It doesn't heat, it doesn't freeze in the cold weather, but I usually put a little bit of insulation around the water spigot and also in the little elbow where it connects to the RV where I have my water regulator. I put one of these to keep the insulation in place, and I never had a problem with the water freezing in under below freezing temperature. Another use we have for this is to secure our trash can. We have one of those collapsible trash cans that we keep by the door of our trailer. We use this bungee cord to prevent it from flying away when it's really windy outside. So if you have been following our channel for a while, you know that we love beach camping. Now, when you're camping by the beach, your main problem is sand. You have sand everywhere. So we keep a little brush by the entrance of the trailer. I have it on a little steel cable, and I use these bungee cords to secure it to the handle in the front door. That way we are not tracking as much sand into the trailer. So often we have to travel long distances with the kids, and to keep our sanity, we let them use their electronics and we let them watch movies in their tablets. So we usually wrap these around the headrest behind our heads, and that way the tablet is hanging on the other side, and they can watch their show, and we can have a little quiet time and listen to music or talk to each other. Something that rarely happens when you have two little kids. Moving on, you can use this as a tool holder in your storage bay, in the nose of the trailer. You can, if you have a staple gun like this one, you can just staple this to the wall of the trailer, and that way you can hang your tools. Sometimes we even use it inside the trailer if we need to hang anything from the walls. And the last one I have for you today, we have this paper towel holder, and sometimes when we drive, the paper towel rolls out and we make it to the destination and the roll is actually empty. So we wrap one of these around the entire roll before we drive, and that way we don't waste any paper towel. Alright, that's gonna do it for today. Please let me know in the comments below if you find this video useful, or maybe if you have any new ideas on how to use these amazing little bungee cords. My name is Eli, and this is RV East Coast, and I will see you in the next one.